Although I wear, I think there are 11 different costumes.
There's amazing costumes in it, and you look fabulous.
But thank you. But many of them are just clothes rather than outrageous frocks, you know.
Right.
And I feel that always with the handbag, of course.
Yeah. And do you feel like when you get into the frock, as you say, that Mother Goose comes alive?
There's a moment when Tom, my helper and dresser on this occasion, puts me into the frock and we get the tights on. Ooh, they're trouble, aren't they? Oh, boys.
Luckily, I don't have to wear
don't
tights.
Envy the girls wearing tights. You get the tights on. Oh, and then you get the knickers on, and then you get the bra on, and everything else on. And then I put the frock. He pulls the frock. I step into the frock, and I stand in front of the mirror every day. And as it goes up over the boobs and does up, and we put the pearl necklace on, and there she is.
And do you do the lips every day?
I do the lips every day, and I say, "How are you, Mother Goose?" I love it. I'm so sentimental about it as an audience, but also as a performer.
And I love the way you said that you wanted your dame to be a certain way. Do you see that the way the world is going at the moment about will the dame have to die off because of political correctness and all this? What do you think?
I did wonder whether, with current feelings, that perhaps some people might object to a man in a frock. But this man in the frock is an actor playing a part.
Yeah. Mm.
I've played all sorts of characters.
You certainly have.
And a couple of them have been women. So I'm not being disrespectful to women, certainly not. She's the strongest woman in the story, and she, to Mike, Monday is the nicest person at the show. So I'm very pro. My dame is very pro women.
Yes, very much so.
Sticking up for them. So I hope no one would take it amiss. There is nothing innately funny to me about a man in a frock. But I think back to Norman Evans and Les Dawson and people, those sort of, they made real women.
Yeah.
They weren't mocking women.
Yeah.
They were real women.
The move of the boob.
But of course, it is theatre.
Yeah.
So I am playing Ian McKellen as well as Mother Goose. And if that sounds complicated, that's the beauty of theatre. Because theatre can be complicated, and it's no problem. No problem. Everybody knows it's Ian McKellen talking about himself, even though he's wearing a wig and a frock. It's complicated, but that's what makes theatre so rich.